Okay, example 2, let's apply some BOMDAS. So example 2 says to evaluate. So to work out or to calculate, all right? So part A, let us work out 7 squared minus 6 squared, okay? So first write out what the 7 squared mean. 7 squared means 7 times 7. 6 squared means 6 times 6. So using BOMDAS, we would do the powers first. We would work out what 7 times 7 is first, which is 49, minus 6 times 6, which is 36, and then 49 take 36 is 13. Part B, let's do 2 times 3 cubed plus 10 squared minus 4 squared. So, okay, check, do BOMDAS first. Do you see any brackets? No, that's okay. Next we do the powers. So, because you're in year 7, tell me, do you understand powers? What does 3 cubed mean? Well, 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 cubed is not the same as just 3 times 3. It's 3 times 3 times 3 because there's 3 lots of it there. Plus 10 squared. 10 squared means 10 times 10, not 10 times 2. Be careful. Powers mean you're multiplying that base number by itself, not by the power. The power tells you how many times you need to write that base number down. And we're taking away 4 squared, which is 4 times 4. Okay. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So 6 times 9 gives us 54. Plus 10 times 10 is 100. Minus 4 times 4, 16. So 154 take 16. So that gets us 138 for part B. I want to finish with example C, which I will do. Do I have space? Yeah, I can fit it down the bottom. Okay, example C says brackets 2 squared minus 1 to the 7 brackets times 5 squared. Okay. So we've got brackets, so by BOMDAS, you've got to do what's inside the brackets first. So inside the brackets, we have 2 squared, which means 2 times 2, and 1 to the power of 7. So you're going 1 times 1 times 1. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 5 squared. So 2 times 2 gives me 4. 1 times itself is always 1, and then times 5 squared. So 4 take 1 is 3 times 5 squared. Oh no, I'm out of space, so hang on. I can lasso tool this. Let's see if I can move it up. No, that's not gonna work. You know what? I'm gonna cut this, and I'm just gonna swipe across and paste it there. Okay, more space. There we go. Okay, so what are we up to? So 3 times 5 squared. So 5 squared means 5 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 5 is 75. So make sure you apply BOMDAS. For now, because you're in year 7 and this is the first time we've done powers, I would like you to show me what the expanded form of your powers are. So if you see 2 squared, you need to write me this line here. As you do get into the higher grades, really this line here that I've highlighted in purple, you don't have to write down. All you need to do is jump straight to this yellow line here. But because you're in year 7 and we need to show working and make sure you understand what powers are, you do definitely need to show all the working, especially the purple highlighted line, just to demonstrate that you know what powers mean, and I can give you those marks. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can check your answer on your calculator by using the power button. It's very important because you are now allowed calculators on your exam. So on the exam you don't have the back of the book answers, so the easiest way to check your answer on the exam is through your calculator. And as long as you show your full working, your step-by-step logic as shown here in my example, then you will get full marks on the exam. Now obviously you can't just type all this and just go, oh yeah, my answer is 75 because I used a calculator. That will not give you all the marks. See how it took us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines to get to the final answer of 75. So yeah, make sure you show you're working.